First, you need to access the Gemini website, that is gemini.google.com. Once you get there, it's going to ask you, hello, how can I help you today? And there's a bit of suggestions here, but these suggestions are not what we intend to use, right? So what I'm going to do is we are going to go through a bit of what I use Google Gemini for, and I'm hoping that in your specific areas, you can use Google Gemini to work for you to some extent. So first thing first, I'm going to ask it to give us specification of the Google Pixel 8 Pro. You just type it here. Give me specs of the Google Pixel 8 Pro, please. Sometimes just be kind. And these are all the specifications of the Google Pixel 8 Pro. It's that simple for you to get specifications, but you can use it for more complex requests. For example, we are going to ask Google Gemini to give us a concept for an arcade game, and let's see what it does. Give me a concept for an arcade game. Let's see what Google Gemini writes for us. It's giving us a concept for Harmony Hero, and this is all that it says. And according to what I'm seeing and how it's written it, including visual style, target audience for this game, unique features about it, and gameplay, and the story behind the game, I think this would be quite an interesting game to play. Let me see whether it can generate the code for us. Let me just see whether it's going to recognize the spelling mistake and change it for me. Unfortunately, Google Gemini is not able to give us the code for this game. Let's ask it to generate a picture of a guy taking coffee. Yeah, some people taking coffee anyway. And so for the last one, let's ask it to write us an essay about Mau Mau and see whether it's got any information about the Mau Mau of Kenya. Let's see whether it's got any information about the Mau Mau struggles in Kenya. And there it is, the Mau Mau fighters of Kenya, a legacy of complexity and contradiction. So there is a lot about the Google Gemini, and this is such a short essay that anybody will be able to read through it in just a few seconds and probably understand what the Mau Mau was all about. Now, Google Gemini is got a lot of information because, let's face it, a lot of data is fed into Google every day. And that's why I decided to show you guys how Google Gemini works before I did the ChatGPT 4, which I intend to do for you guys soon as possible. Stick around and let me know what you think about this tutorial. For you guys who have never tried any AI tool, Google Gemini is free for the time being, and you guys can just go ahead and use it. Stick around.